Everyone loves the last YouTube video that we did, so you gotta buy me a gift. All the fans love it. Read all the comments, go on it. Everyone thinks it's one of the funniest videos in a long time.
Because they feel bad for you, that's why. Alright guys, we are in this beautiful Ferrari F8 Tributo. This is one of my favorite cars ever made. Ferrari did such a fantastic job with this car. The 488 was already great, but the F8 looks amazing, drives amazing, interior is beautiful. This car is tuned. Used to have exhaust, we took it off for now, but it just got a set of Veloce design work wheels. We didn't do black like most people would do on this car.
I really like the wheels. It looks really good on the car.
20-21 inch custom wheels on it. We didn't do the black or bronze look people do most of the time with red. We went ahead and did the polished with brushed silver centers, 5-spoke stars wheels with a step lip, really deep concave wheels. Looks amazing on this red F8. This car has the option with the two-tone, so the top half of the car is black from the factory, so it's a really nice looking Ferrari already. And of course, to top it off, we have to lower it, which we did utilizing Novitec springs. The car is lowered significantly. It drives better, it handles better. It's honestly a perfect car now. This is exactly how I would set up my F8, besides the exhaust system.
This idiot did to my shirt.
I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
Look,
hey!
all the ashes on the jacket.
I didn't do anything. What are you talking about? Such a liar.
I had one shirt to wear and it burned.
I didn't do anything. Would you like some RDB socks?
Yeah, give me some.
You guys are saying the customers coming, you're over here breaking cups on people's heads.
Okay, first of all, that wasn't the case before.
Watermelon.
Hey, you guys! Every time something comes here, they finish it.
It's good.
Shows you're passionate. Mercedes S63. This car came in with a million different sounds. I mean, really bad mechanical noise everywhere. After the diagnostics on this S65, we did find out that this car needed a lot of stuff. It's gonna probably be hard for me to mention everything because everything's on paper, but I can mention some of the stuff. We did the rack pinion on this car, upper and lower arms, control arms. We did linkages on this car. We also did, and then his wheels were terrible, so we did wheels and tires, brand new wheels and tires on the car. I'm just test driving it to make sure there's no more noise, which there isn't, which is perfect. But now the car needs an alignment. I'm gonna go back to the shop after a test drive, make sure we have no more noise. Santos is gonna put it on our alignment machine, make sure the steering wheel is straight, everything's good, so we have perfect tire wear in the future, and that's it. So this one took a while, but a lot of the parts were special order. They were hard to get, front rotors, brake pads, sensors. So not only suspension, we did brakes, I mean the whole 9 yards, and customers gonna be very happy with this. So it sounds like a brand new car, it feels like a brand new car. No more weird noises coming from the suspension of the car. It's like smooth, very smooth. You guys are familiar with this car here. He was just in the area. He had a low tire pressure, so he just came by just to put some quick air in it, and he's good to go.
Shout out to RDB, man, always keeping me laced, man. If you got anything to do with cars, go to RDB.
Yes, sir. Check out this Rolls-Royce Cullinan right here. The keys in my pocket, that's why. Okay, let's go somewhere else. It's another Cullinan. Check out this really dope interior. It's blue with black, and it's got white pinstriping with the white logos. Really, really cool spec. The outside color is that Nardo gray, but this customer got this car slightly modified already. It has some blackout and stuff, so we're gonna go check out the details, see what we're gonna change right now. Let's close this guy. Take this guy out. Alright, as you guys already see, it has 26s on there. He had this before on his other Cullinan, so he transferred it onto this one. As you can see, it's already blacked out. It's got a black and Nardo gray theme. He doesn't really like this. You guys already know all the bottom trims. We generally like the paint and body color. This one is black. Car looks a little funky. It's a little bit too rugged for a Cullinan. The backlights are smoked out as well, as you can see. Reflectors are smoked. So we're gonna go ahead and rewrap this car. All the trims are gonna come off, everything's gonna come off. We're gonna wrap it in a matte silver color. We're gonna do everything matte silver, the grille, the trims, even the wheels are gonna be silver. So it's gonna be a dope, full silvered out Cullinan with that blue interior. It's gonna look amazing, so stay tuned. Guys, we just finished up that red Urus. Belongs to our good buddy Southside, 808 Mafia Boss, one of the best producers out there for hip hop. Did red and black wheels on his car, matching two-tone, of course, so it looks really, really cool. You'll notice this other Urus behind me right now. This is a bone stock, brand new Urus. This car is gonna go through a total makeover. It's gonna be wide body. It's gonna be everything that RDB does to Uruses right there. So this is the before, brand new, beautiful, all black Urus. Still gonna be black, but it's gonna be a whole lot different soon. This car has 36 miles. It hasn't gone to the customer's house yet. It actually got tuned and it came here. It already has a tune on it for 36 miles. This is a 2021. This is the 2021 key right here. It's a little different, a little bit bulkier. It's black and it's like shiny black. Mine is like plastic black, kind of a little upgrade. We'll see if I can upgrade mine. So I've been driving another wide body Urus because my car's being wrapped and that car has no tune. And I could tell the difference immediately between a non-tuned Urus and a tuned one. It's almost like 85 horsepower. That's pretty aggressive for an SUV, guys. You can fit 5 people in here. You can put a baby seat, 2 baby seats back there if you need to. This car has no sunroof. I'm a little bit jealous of this. This is actually not an option. This is standard, so you could get the optional sunroof, which is what most people have. But if you get this, you could do Starlight, the whole ceiling. So that's really cool. I thought about it 100 times to make mine full Starlight because doing it the other way around kind of looks goofy to me. So either you do it full or nothing. So let's try another second gear full. Once you have 4,000 RPM, you can feel the power coming on. When it's stock, it feels like it's dying out. So this car is about a 250 window sticker, 250 grand. They don't really give deals on Uruses still, which is crazy. Lamborghini Uruses are still holding value, which is amazing to see. The Urus, the G63 hold value. Some of the new Ferraris hold value. You could sell it later and make money or not. Look, this is our fancy. He just bought that car. That's his first car, and he came visit RDB with it. And he's peeling out. Don't do that at home, kids.